Hi, I'm Noel with My Town Roofing, and we're here today to talk about the 5 ways that the heat can impact your roof. One way that it can impact your roof is the UV rays can shorten the roof's lifespan. So your roof is constantly getting direct exposure to the UV rays, and what this does is it causes it to break down and decompose on your roof. The second thing is that the heat can break down the materials. So like I said, the heat gets so hot, what happens is the materials of your roof start to break down and decompose. The third thing that can happen from this heat that we talked about is the thermal shock weakens the structural integrity. So this is caused from extreme heat temperatures, and then it cools at night. And what this does, the expanding and the contrasting, what that does is it causes just to weaken all of the components of your roofing system. Again, with these the extreme heat conditions, the fourth thing that it can do is that the warm, wet climate that we experience here in Memphis, it causes all the mold and moss can actually to grow on there from the humidity that we all love. So the humidity, the dampness, the wetness that this causes can actually cause mold in your home, and nobody likes that word. So we want to watch out for that. And the last thing, the fifth thing that it can do is the direct sunlight. It can fade the roof's color. So if you drive around, we see this all the time. Look at your neighbor's roof. You will see different shades of roofs that have been there for a little while. And this is just something that happens from the summer heat and the direct UV rays to your roof. So if you experience any of these problems, if this concerns you, we would love to serve you. Call our office at 901-834-ROOF, or you can go to our website at mytownroofing.com, go to schedule an appointment, and somebody from our team would be happy to serve you and give you an inspection.